In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a new layer or how to create a new layer in your Photoshop files. So I just have a photo here and it's really simple. Don't overcomplicate it. But if you want to make a new layer, all you have to do is look to the bottom right of your actual Photoshop window here to the plus sign. And all you have to do, it says layers here, all you have to do is hit that once and it's going to make a new layer, and you could just keep hitting it and just make as many layers as you want. Or if you want to copy a layer, you can also select a layer. So I'm going to select the layer with the picture on it, click and hold and then drag, and then you're going to bring it onto that same button that you used to make your new layer and click that, and then it's going to make a copy of the layer that you selected. And that's about it. It's very easy, very simple, and quick and effective. So make sure you like and subscribe, and look out for some more easy Photoshop tips. See ya.